Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel On the Roads. It's been a while since I last traveled, and in fact, it's been 8 months since my bikepacking trip in Thailand. Today, I'm excited to share my latest adventure, bikepacking from Chennai to Mahabalipuram. So let's dive into this journey together. The ride will be 58 kilometers from Chennai to Mahabalipuram, following the scenic East Coast Road. But it's not going to be an easy one. I'm totally out of shape, and honestly, I'm not even sure if I'll make it to the end. On top of that, it's been raining along the coast, which could be another challenge. It was cloudy and we had some overnight rain, but for now, everything looks good and I'm ready to hit the road. My friend Shibin joined me for the ride and we set off at 5:40 am. As expected, just a few minutes in, the rain started pouring down, but we weren't ready to give up yet. So we waited for the rain to pass before continuing our journey along the coast. The city roads really put our bodies to the test. Luckily, the rain had stopped and the sun was starting to come out. We took breaks every 11 kilometers at first, but by the time we hit the East Coast Road, the humidity was kicking in, making the ride even tougher. We kept ourselves hydrated as much as possible and continued the ride. Speaking of the Tracer R14 bike I am using, I have to say it's been a fantastic experience. The micro shift gear system is incredibly smooth, making this bike an ideal road companion. It took us over 5 hours to finally reach Mahabalipuram. There was this huge sense of achievement when we got there. It wasn't easy at all, especially after such a long break from bikepacking. But we really enjoyed every bit of the journey. Once we arrived, we treated ourselves to some amazing seafood and spent the evening relaxing by the shores of Mahabalipuram. After resting and recovering in Mahabalipuram, we knew this wasn't the end, just the beginning of our next adventure. This trip isn't over yet. For now, the roads are open and there's more riding ahead. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll be back soon with another video along the East Coast Road.